Today I'm reading the medicine Gelsemium. Gelsemium is the psychotic remedy. It belongs to the plant kingdom. Gelsemium has the ailment from anticipation, ailment from bad news. The Gelsemium persons get apprehensive in the face of ordeal and develop a lack of self-confidence in such a situation. The patients tend to lose their control and balance. So the main feeling in Gelsemium is I have to keep my control when going through ordeal. I have to be able to withstand very difficult trying situations. I have to be able to withstand shock and bad news without losing my control. So they keep courage when facing ordeal and are shaken up even by frightening situation. This courageous Jalsium is exactly the opposite of the picture we read in the book. And the picture was we read in book is the crowd who is unable to face any unexpected event. He cannot face crowd. Any exciting or bad news, shock or anticipation can make a person lose his balance and control. He may develop giddiness and fear of falling. He may lose control over his bowel. He develop a kind of paralytic and cataleptic immobile state. He is shocked and is therefore unable to move. In some patients, I have seen that they give the impression of control on the outside in the face of ordeal, but inside there is a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, and a very panic. They do not like to reveal their inner cowardice. Jalsimum may sometimes seems to appear like the stramonium, with clinging and desire for support always, but stramonium is far more acute. Also, in Staminium, the threat is perceived from outside of him, whereas in Gelsemium, it is lack of confidence which is the main problem. I remember one case of Gelsemium particularly well. The patient, a woman, was a dancer who had developed the eczema on her feet. This woman gave me history that she had been in a very bad accident and had some of her bone broken. In spite of she managed to give dance performance through, though she had to put up with a lot of pain. She also related that she also related that on one occasion her house had been broken into by five men and armed with choppers. In this situation too, she managed to keep her cool and salvage a lot of her valuable. With Chalcimium, her eczema flared up so that she was unable to move out of bed. The situation caused everyone, including me, to panic, but she went through it, maintaining her control and balance, and improved subsequently. Rubrics are ailment from anticipation, forwarding, forwarding presentiment, ailment from bad news, ailment from excitement emotional, ailment from shock mental, excitement hearing horrible things after, confidence want of self, cowardice, timidity appearing in the public, fear cease to beat unless constantly on the move, heart will, fear self control of losing, stupefaction, dullness, sluggishness, things long unable to, fear falling off, clinging to the persons or furniture, etc. Clinging, child grabs the nurse when carried. On Kant said, diarrhea, excitement from. Patak says, catalepsy, fear, ordeal of. This is all about Gelsemium sempivirus. Thank you for listening.